I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Volkswagen Polo from the 5th generation, produced between 2009 and 2017. This compact hatchback has been a staple on United Kingdom roads, praised for its nimble handling and efficient engines. However, like any car, it has its share of weak spots that owners should know about. Let's start with one of the most common issues: coil pack failures. These ignition coils can degrade over time, leading to misfires, rough idling, and even engine stalling, especially in models with the 1.2 or 1.4-litre petrol engines. Many drivers report this happening around the 80,000 kilometre mark, and replacement costs can set you back about £100 to £200 per coil. Another frequent headache is the air conditioning compressor problems. The compressor often fails due to leaks or clutch issues, leaving you without cool air on those rare hot British summer days. Owners frequently mention a rattling noise before total failure, and repairs might cost between £300 and £500 at a garage. Beyond these, the dual-clutch DSG gearbox in automatic versions is notorious for mechatronic unit failures. This can cause jerky shifts or complete loss of drive, particularly in higher mileage cars over 100,000 kilometers. While Volkswagen extended warranties on some units, many owners face bills exceeding £1,000 for fixes. On the positive side, the Polo's chassis is robust, offering excellent road manners that make city driving a joy. Its fuel economy is impressive, with diesel models achieving up to 20 km per litre on motorways. Plus, the interior feels premium for a super mini, with supportive seats and decent boot space. Electrical gremlins are another weak point, including faulty window regulators and central locking malfunctions. These issues often stem from water ingress or worn wiring, leading to intermittent failures that frustrate owners. Replacement parts are affordable, around £50 to £100, but labour can add up if you are not handy. The timing chain tensioner in TSI engines is prone to failure, potentially causing catastrophic engine damage if not addressed. Symptoms include a rattling noise on startup, and proactive replacement is advised every 100,000 kilometers. This repair can cost £500 to £800, but it prevents far worse problems down the line. That said, the Polo shines in safety, earning a 5-star Euro NCAP rating with features like electronic stability control standard on most trims. It is also economical to insure, especially for younger drivers in the United Kingdom. Reliability surveys often place it above average for its class, despite the known issues. Rust can appear on the underbody and wheel arches, particularly in salted winter roads across the United Kingdom. Regular inspections and under-sealing help, but neglected cars might need welding work costing £200 to £400. This is more common in older models from the early 2010s. Fuel pump failures affect some diesel variants, leading to starting issues or power loss. The high-pressure pump can wear out around 120,000 kilometers, with replacements running about £400. Fortunately, the rest of the fuel system is generally durable. The Polo's steering system, while responsive, can develop knocks from worn rack ends or bushes. This is often felt as vibrations through the wheel on uneven roads. Repairs are straightforward, typically under £200, and do not detract much from the car's agile feel. One of its strengths is the range of engines, from frugal diesels to peppy petrol turbos, catering to different driving needs. In the used market, a well-maintained 2015 Polo might fetch around £5,000 to £7,000. It holds value better than some rivals, making it a smart buy. Exhaust gas recirculation valve clogging is an issue in diesel models, causing reduced performance and increased emissions. Cleaning or replacement costs about £150, and it is a common MOT failure point in the United Kingdom. Regular servicing mitigates this effectively. The infotainment system in higher-spec models can glitch, with screens freezing or Bluetooth connectivity dropping out. Updates from Volkswagen dealers often resolve this for free under goodwill, but it is annoying for tech-savvy owners. Still, the system's integration is better than many contemporaries. Brake wear is accelerated in stop-start urban driving, with pads and discs needing replacement every 40,000 kilometers. This is not unique to the Polo, but costs around £200 per axle. The braking performance remains strong, providing confidence on wet British roads. Interior trim, like door handles and gear knobs, can wear prematurely, giving a tatty look to higher mileage examples. Replacements are cheap, under £50, but it highlights build quality that is good but not exceptional. The cabin is quiet at speed though, enhancing long journeys. Suspension components, such as wishbones and anti-roll bar links, often need attention after 60,000 kilometers. Noises over bumps signal wear, with repairs costing £100 to £300. This keeps the ride comfortable and composed, a hallmark of Volkswagen engineering. In terms of value, a base 2010 Polo starts at about £3,000 used, while top-spec GTIs command up to £10,000. Fuel consumption for petrol models hovers around 15 km per litre in mixed driving. It is a versatile car for daily commutes. Turbocharger failures in TSI engines can occur if oil changes are neglected, leading to expensive repairs over £1,000. Warning signs include loss of boost and smoke from the exhaust. Proper maintenance extends its life significantly. The Polo excels in parking ease, thanks to its compact size and light steering, ideal for crowded United Kingdom cities. Visibility is good all around, reducing blind spots. It is a favorite for new drivers passing their tests. Clutch issues in manual transmissions arise from heavy urban use, with slippage starting around 90,000 kilometers. A new clutch kit costs £400 to £600 fitted. The gearbox itself is smooth shifting when healthy. On the upside, resale values are strong, and parts availability is excellent through Volkswagen's network. Customization options, like alloy wheels, add appeal. It is a car that grows on you with its understated charm. Water pump leaks in some engines can lead to overheating if not caught early. This is more prevalent in the 1.6-litre diesels, with repairs at £200. Cooling system reliability is otherwise solid. The 5th generation Polo is well suited for urban dwellers, young families, or first-time buyers in the United Kingdom who prioritize efficiency and handling over outright luxury. It might not suit those needing heavy towing or frequent long-haul drives, where reliability niggles could frustrate. Overall, with diligent maintenance, it remains a dependable choice that balances fun and frugality. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.